Hi guys, Saikanik here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'll be sharing to you do's and don'ts or tips on how you're going to enjoy Sinulog and worry-free. Okay, so first, you need to be hydrated because you will be walking and walking and walking and walking. Walay sakyanan. So no vehicles is allowed to travel within the Sinulog premises because there are a lot of dancing. A little background, Sinulog is the grandest and the original mother of the festival in the Visayas. Today I will be talking about OTD, what to do during Sinulog. So if you're going to go to Sinulog, it's best if you're going to be well hydrated, well protected, and as well as you need to be comfortable. So we're going to talk first about from head to toe. Okay, so don't forget to bring a hat. Any hat will do as long as you're comfortable with. There are a lot of hats sold everywhere on the street, so you need protection from the sun because you will be out for the whole day if you're going to attend the Sinulog Mardi Gras or you're just going to stroll around because there's a lot of performers on the street and parties everywhere, a lot of food, and it will be so much fun, I assure you. And especially don't forget your skincare regimen. Of course, you need to apply sunblock kasi yun na, hindi kayo sunburn. Conscious ko day. Of course, protected na kayo, you need to be comfortable as well. Wear things that are comfortable, I mean, especially a lot of people, especially millennials, are making DIY shirts, Sinulog shirts. There are a lot of, this is not a plug, I'm not paid for this, but I saw a lot of sale, especially in Metro, Island Souvenirs. There's a lot of designs, nice designs for you to choose from, and very comfortable. Best if you can go to church. Proper naman yung attire, pupunta kayo ng church, but mostly people are wearing not so short shorts, but there are a lot of people wearing short shorts. And as well as footwear. Because you're walking around the corner, if you can wear heels, it's up to you. But for me, I suggest that you wear flip-flops or slippers or sneakers. Comfortable shoes, walking shoes, running shoes, is up to you. But I suggest, please do not wear high heels. Because you will be walking along the streets along with the performers if you really wanted to take a lot of photos and videos, so it's easier for you to mobilize, you know. And especially don't forget to bring water along with you. Of course, there's a lot of water vendors everywhere, but you need to be hydrated as well, so you need to bear that in mind. And please, for foreigners especially, sometimes it's super tight in the place that you cannot really move, especially on the site wherein the dancers were going to dance. You really need to be careful with your things, be mindful of the people around you, because who knows, you know. I really hope so that nobody will lose their things, but sometimes it does. So just be careful. Do not bring super valuable things if you're going to stroll the street. I suggest you just bring small bags, sling bags. For me, when I stroll around, maybe because I'm going to take a lot of pictures, I'll be bringing my camera, my cell phone. For example, this is my phone, so I always place my money either on the back of my phone or in the case, so it would be safer. And some of the people have secret pockets over there. Do not bring a lot of money, just bring enough for your food and enough for stroll. We need to be cautious, right? As much as possible, roam around with less things with you. You got to enjoy the park not just by wearing your things. Oh, where's my phone? Where's my bag? Like that. You need to enjoy as well. You need to enjoy the Sinulog, and please don't forget the real reason why we're having Sinulog is to praise the Señor Santo Niño, which is the baby Jesus Christ. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and be ready for Sinulog 2020. And Viva Pit Señor! Bye-bye! Sarang eh! Oops! I forgot. Please do not bring big bags if you're going to go to church, because the line is super long, so it's easier for you to have small bags. Bye! Sarang eh!